it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is the 10th card of the 12 cards of Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm using the Iconic Imagery Bundle, and we have some Misty Moonlight paper. It is cut in half, so it is cut at, there we go. It is cut at 5 1/2 and then 4 1/4. It's cut at 5 1/2 and then scored at 4 1/4. And then we've also scored it at 2 and then 1/8, I believe. Let me just double check on that. Let's see here. Yep. So it's basically scored right in half again. So you're going to end up with something like this. So we're going to burnish this down. This is a very popular fold here. And then what we're going to do, in fact, I think I burnished it the wrong way. Let's try this way. It falls a little different by the way things are, well, I guess not. I was going to say by this little guy, but it's okay. We're going to work with it. Let's burnish this side. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, that's better. And then we're going to cut a piece of Designer Series paper, and that is 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. So it's going to leave a 1/4 inch, an 1/8 of an inch around each side. And we're going to be dealing with the snowflakes here. I love that Designer Series paper is cut, or printed on both sides here. So it is Christmas Eve morning, and we are almost all done with our stuff. How about you? So in this Iconic Imagery, if you get the bundle, you get a some dies, and there's star dies. So we cut out 3 of those stars with the die cut, and then this label. And then we used the Celebrate, and we used some stars or snowflakes that are in that as well, and they're going to match pretty nicely with those snowflakes. And then we stamped some snowflakes on here as well. This is for the inside of the card. And let's go ahead and add this to the inside of the card. That way we know what we're working with. And put that right down there. And we are going to take this guy here. We're going to pop it right about there. So now I know where this needs to kind of go. So I'm going to put tape. This is my Stampin' seal here. And we're going to put that right here. Have a nice Celebrate. Make sure none of that goes. Got great Celebrate right there. And then we're going to add some of these little snowflakes. And I'm going to grab, let's see, I'm going to grab some of my dimensionals here so that we could put some snowflakes on here. And we'll put one. We're going to see where we're going to put them. I'm going to definitely put, well, I lost one already. What I do with it. This is what happens. Oh, there it is. It was hiding with the other snowflakes. But we're going to put these guys down here. And now we can see where we want this. So we might want one there. One there. And one there. And this is just going to kind of, I don't know if we want it here or if we want it here. I think I like it right about here, and that's going to hold this down a little bit as well. So now that we know where we want that, we can just put that down. Put that one right here. And you could put one right here within those snowflakes just to pop it up. But I'm going to put this one right here. You'll see it kind of holds that down, but still is able to open. So then you could stamp, or you could pop up whatever you'd like here. And I'm going to go ahead and see where this needs to go, and we can put it right here on the inside. And I think we could pop that up as well. Just for a little bit of fun here. I think it'll go there, and yes, it'll cover that up nicely. And so there we go. Look at what a cute card that is. So we can go like that when you're giving it to somebody. Put it in the envelope just like that, and then they've got a nice card. It'll stand up closed, or you can open it. And what an adorable card for the new year, for winter, or even for Christmas, of course. So, all right, beauties, I hope you like this. Again, if you ever need to buy any of the supplies to make any of my cards, just go to beautyandthestamper.com and hit the Shop Stampin' Up button, and you will get taken right to where you can purchase all the supplies that I use to make this. All right, happy, happy, happy Christmas and Christmas Eve to you. And I know I still have 2 more left, so we'll get on making those pretty quickly here. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.